Bakit, anak? Okay na, you already know your section. Come on. Right side tayo. Left side pala. Don't go to school also? Huh? You, mom. Where are you going?
Ate.
Hindi natin iiwan si ate? Ha? Kasama natin ate mo? Halika na. Let's fetch her. She's on the other gate. Come on. Nasa ibang gate siya. Oh no, ate is waiting for us there. Come on. Let's fetch ate. And ate is waiting for us. Why? Saan tayo pupunta?
Ate.
Ano?
Ate.
Why are you crying? Huh? Why are you crying? Bakit anak? Bakit?
Ate!
Mag-school na si ate Yung first day of school mo, hindi si ate yung umiyak, ikaw. First day of school mo.
Hindi ka pwede mag-atid eh.
Bakit? Ano nangyari kay ate sa school? Ganun talaga pag nagsa-school, iniiwan. Ganun talaga, anak, iniiwan. Ayaw pala iwan ate niya. Ganun talaga pag nagsa-school, iniiwan. Bakit? Bakit? Bakit tayo mapunta sa school?